In this video, we are assembling the Gnome vampire. So I have my pieces laid out, and I'm going to start by putting the two pieces of the box together. I'm not going to do the bottom yet because I want it to still lay flat. But I am going to go ahead and put all the sides together. So you want to butt this just up to the line, not over it. Okay. Just do this a little bit more. All right. So here's our pieces. You have a hat and the cape. It'll go together like that. That's for the back. And then for the front, you actually see the inside of his cape. So you're going to glue these two pieces together. You're just going to line this up to the bottom and center it on the piece. And then this is going to just glue into place here. It is the width of the box right here at the top part of the box, about a finger's width, so that you can put your fingers right in there and just make sure that it's right in place. So again, I'm just going to put the glue on the box, because the bottom of his cape does drape over the side. You see here, there's just a little overhang, and I didn't want glue on those pieces. I had glue on my finger. Oh no. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is take the piece for the face, and I'm going to put glue just on the very edge of it, and I'm going to go ahead and glue this piece to the beard. I'm just gluing the very edge of that there. Then I'm going to put glue on the whole piece, and I'm going to glue this onto the box. His beard goes to the bottom, and it again right here at the top, it's the exact width of the box. Okay, so I'm going to glue that in place like that. The next piece you're going to want is his hat, and you're going to line the hat up just right to the edge there of his beard. Okay? And if you notice, I'm not putting glue on the whole piece because it does hang over the top. And I did not want to have glue on that part of his hat. Okay. For his mustache, we have two pieces. We have the piece that has his teeth, and that's so that you don't have to handle such small pieces. And then you're just going to glue that underneath his mustache. So I'm just going to glue those together like that. I am going to use some foam tape for his mustache. I'm just going to cut this in half. These are foam squares that I get from the Dollar Tree. I'm sorry if you can hear the door slamming, that's my son. So his mustache is also the width of the box, so I can use my fingers. You do want to see a little bit of his face here. And then you want to take the biggest oval, well, of the three that we have left, and that is his nose. We'll just glue that right into place. And then set that aside for a moment and come and put our pumpkin together. I have done each one of my layers in a different color. And then here, I'm going to take his hands and I'm going to glue those onto the pumpkin like he's holding it. So he's pretty easy. If you wanted to be done at this point, you could be. You do not have to put the back on. Well, I've already got some foam tape on there, so it doesn't matter. Whoops, that's stuck right to my finger. So I'm just going to pop his little pumpkin right on there. Then for this side, what I'm going to do is I'm just using this as a guide for where I want to put my hat. I have to trim this off because it's hanging over. I could see it through his cape. So I'm just going to put some glue on there. I'm not gluing it. I just want it to line up when it's open as closely as it can. So I was just using that as a guide as to where to place the hat. And I'm going to put glue here on the box. You're going to line it up to the bottom, then use your fingers here at the top to line it up side to side. And that's his back. And then we're just going to close up our box. Use my bone folder to push down those tabs. And then there you have the Gnome vampire. Thank you.